Hello everyone, now let's introduce you our outdoor P2.604 LED module. It features a pixel pitch of 2.604 millimeters. This LED module is 250 by 250 millimeters. It's the outdoor LED module, so the brightness is very bright, up to 5000 nits to make it clear. For this outdoor P2.604 LED module, its resolution is 96 by 96, so it's very high resolution outdoor LED module. For this LED module, they adopt the 3840 Hz to 7680 Hz. Such a high refresh rate can make sure the content go very smoothly, like the video content playback without the flickering, and by its wide viewing angle, so when you play the content, the audience at anywhere they can view the content very clear. That's all for today. If you have any inquiry, please feel free to contact us or visit our website. Thanks for watching.